Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why we say, I am eating, she is driving, they are playing? Why don't we simply say, I eat? In today's lesson, I'll explain the present continuous tense in the easiest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when, why, and how to use it in everyday English. So let's get started. Part 1. What is the present continuous? The present continuous describes an action that is happening now. It means the action has already started, but it has not finished yet. Think about this. Imagine Sarah. Sarah is in her car. She is going to work. At this moment, she is driving. So we say, Sarah is driving to work. Not, Sarah drives to work. Why? Because we are talking about what she is doing right now. Part 2. Structure. The present continuous is very easy. Just remember this formula. Subject plus am is, are plus verb plusing. Let's look at it. I am. You are. We are. They are. He is. She is. It is. Now add the verb with ing. Drive, driving. Eat, eating. Work, working. Play, playing. Read, reading. Let's make some sentences. I am studying English. She is cooking dinner. They are watching TV. We are learning grammar. He is sleeping. Very easy. Part 3. When do we use it? We use the present continuous when the action is happening at the moment of speaking. For example, look outside. If rain is falling now, we say, it is raining. Not, it rains. Another example. Someone calls you. They ask, where's Mark? You answer, he's having a shower. Because Mark is taking a shower right now. Another one. Are you enjoying the party? The party is happening now. So we use the present continuous. Part 4. Important point. Here's something many English learners don't know. The action does not always have to happen exactly at this second. Let me explain. Steve is talking to his friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really good book. Wait a minute. Is Steve reading the book while talking on the phone? No. He is talking. So why does he say, I'm reading a book? Because he has started reading the book, but he hasn't finished it yet. Reading the book is an activity happening around this time, not necessarily this exact second. This is very common in English. Part 5. More examples. Listen carefully. Kate wants to work in Italy. So she's learning Italian. Maybe she isn't studying right now, but she is learning Italian these days. Another example. Some friends are building their own house. Maybe they're resting today, but the project is still happening. So we say, they are building a house. Part 6. Time expressions. We also use the present continuous with time expressions like today, this week, this month, this year, these days. For example, you are working hard today. I am very busy this week. My English is improving this year. Notice, these actions are happening around now, not forever. Part 7. Changing situations. We also use the present continuous when something is changing. For example, your English is getting better. The population is increasing. The weather is getting warmer. I'm beginning to enjoy my new job. Life changes. People change. Situations change. The present continuous is perfect for talking about these changes. Part 8. Common mistakes. Let's fix some common mistakes. I eating. I'm eating. She driving. She is driving. They playing football. They are playing football. Always remember, am, is, or are comes before the verb with ing. Don't forget it. Part 9. Quick quiz. Let's practice together. Number 1. She dinner. Pause the video. The answer is, she is cooking dinner. Great. Number 2. They football. Answer, they are playing football. Excellent. Number 3. I English now. Answer, I'm learning English now. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Part 10. Summary. Let's review. Use the present continuous for actions happening now. I'm eating. Temporary activities. I'm reading a book. Things happening around this time. We are building a house. Changing situations. My English is getting better. Remember the formula. Subject plus is, are plus verb plusing. If you remember this one rule, you'll make correct sentences every day. Ending. If this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. And here's today's challenge. Write one sentence in the present continuous about what you're doing right now. For example, I'm watching this video. Or, I'm drinking coffee. I'll read your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning. Smiling face.